So I need an air filter basket. I don't have one, and they're like, I don't know, crazy money. So it's not anything you see. So I made one. She'll work fine. It's a weird shape. I do have to spot weld this. Bolt is supposed to sit stationary, but it spins. And you see, this will go in there with the foam on it. The top I'm going to make right now will go over this and suck that down on there tight. And the foam will go all the way to the bottom and the top. So that's where I'm at with that. So there's the top. I'm going to transfer it over to this piece of steel right here, leaving about a 1/2 inch on each edge. I'll make sure that's going to fit in there. But I didn't want to bore you with making that basket. I had to make it, and then I had to cut it apart and make it fit a little better. But anyway, save you some money, guys. Thanks. So I've got the air cleaner basket mocked up. I made the top out of a piece of cardboard, mocked up with about a 1/2 inch on the underneath side to accommodate the foam. So I think that'll be pretty good. I think it'll serve its purpose, and I'll continue on with it, making the top out of metal. All right, guys, this is the lid to the air cleaner box, the air filter box, basket rather, that I fabbed up. Clean it up a little bit. Get back with you. All right, guys, there's the cover for the air box. The air basket, I guess you could call it. It's got room enough to accommodate the foam. And I still need to tack weld this rod in here before, that rod down in there, before I put it all together. But I'll show you that when I'm done. Guys, something else, little tip. I chase these bolts a lot. This was really hard to get on there, that nut. So just break out a tap and die that you pick up at Harbor Freight. They're super cheap and they come in really handy. They'll clean up those threads so nice. You can hit all of them as you're redoing the bike. I do it a lot. Wouldn't go on there at all before, hardly. A few turns. Now it's good as gold. All right, thanks guys. So we got the air filter glued with contact cement. Whoop, got it all dirty. In the cage in the filter. Uni, but I put it upside down, so it's a Ina. Oil. Little cover came out pretty nice. It's gonna do the job just perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. Just got the oil. Wet clutch. Just to kick her over, run it for a little bit, then I'll drain it out, save the oil, and redo it because I have to take the side case off to fix that cluster. All right, good enough. Simple enough to go ahead and slam this in there. Get with you later. Something else I do, I'll take this little brush, some grease, and hit the top and the bottom of the air filter. That makes a good seal. Keeps that dust from getting in there.